In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to buy an Opal card at the Sydney airport. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna tell you the exact locations in which you will be able to acquire a new Opal card at the Sydney airport, and you will also be able to register, activate, and top up your card at those exact locations. This information is available on the Transport NSW website. So through a web browser on your computer or your phone, go to transportnsw.info. When you arrive at this page, all that you have to do is go over to Tickets and Opal and then About Opal. You will find the option to get an Opal card in here. Click this option and now go into the Opal Retailers tab. Keep in mind that there are various other ways in which you will be able to acquire your Opal card. For this video, I'm gonna highlight how to get it at the Sydney airport as the title of the video, but keep in mind that you might want to explore other options and especially the option to buy the card online. So if you want to buy it at the airport, like I said, click on Opal Retailers and you will see this interactive map of Sydney, where you can browse through all of the locations in which you can buy new Opal cards or do top-ups for pre-existing cards. You will notice that there are plenty of locations and you can look around the map or use the search function at the left side of the screen. All that you have to do is search for a location and then look for airport. The first result should be the Sydney airport or any other option that you see here. If you click on Sydney airport, you can now zoom in and browse through the locations. During the time that I'm recording this video, there are 5 locations listed here. So you have this first location that is only top up and single trip ticket machine. You have this other one that sells new Opal cards. So if your goal is to acquire your first card, this is the location that you need to go for. W.H. Smith International Airport Arrivals, store 1065 on the ground floor. Alternatively, you also have these 3 locations here on the domestic airport. So you have the Hub Convenience that also sells new Opal cards. You have this spot here, the airport station booking office, once again, new cards and top-ups, and then this last one that also does the same, Trader Convenience. Regardless of which option you pick, as long as you download this map, maybe take a screenshot on a mobile device, you will be able to go into any of these locations and get your very own Opal card. I hope I was able to help you on how to buy an Opal card at the Sydney airport. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.